Yeah, Rasta man.
Yes, but
So what you got there selling, man?
I got a couple little roadies, I got a couple natural juices, I got Frank burgers, couple of spelt fries, you know. Just rolling on the tongue and doing my little thing, man.
So how long you doing this hustle?
I like being this here for a little small thing, but a little 2 years now here, you know.
Okay.
Just keeping my head above the water and doing what God do.
Yeah. So where is the rounds that you make, man?
Well, it's come from all up in the point, and it's make a couple runs down through Garden Village, down through the Red Zone area, down through the area that's called Smatters, cut straight down, you know, sometimes touch the garden line, go up by the courts, all the way back Troymar, down through the bandstand. You know, it's just moving the business is wherever these streamers can. Alright, and big up all Rastafari DVD news, blessings and guidance to all ones out there. Big up every hustler, full and true.
Yeah.
Anything for the drink? Anything for the drink? Alright.
Yeah, good.
The light.
One or two? Money boy? Yeah, what they done?
Money make it one blow away.
Alright, call me back in 2 minutes, right? I can't do now.
I still might catch you right on the door, doing it live.
Full 100 and full effect. You don't know this, how this be there.
Yeah.
Got to look for that paper.
Yeah.
Don't care what the people out there say. I don't care how much depression they go out there.